beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification. But thank you and God bless you. My Bonga people, today topic now about one girl. Like all those small girls of nowadays. Now what for now? Small girls of nowadays. How can a 14 years old girl you don't reach to friend boy, my people? 14 years. 14 years, what till you know? What till you know what you want to do? Why una go dey allow those guys dey deceive una? How can 14 years old girl say he want a friend boy? Papa say no, say papa see am with one guy, that the guy na 17 years old. So if papa come say, what you dey do with this guy? He say na a boyfriend. Papa come say no. What do you know about boyfriend? 14 years old, you too small to friend boy. Because for Europe, when me dey here now, you don't feel go dey date a guy of you wey dey 14 years. That is child abuse. They're not going to even agree. Even the guy never even reach 17 years. Talk less of you will be the girl 14 years. So they're not going to even agree. They go arrest the guy. You understand? Okay, Nigeria will be say because say law not that our country where we dey, because we always they go against the law. You know. Okay, normally you not even suppose 14 years old boy. You say 14 years old girl, you say you want the friend boy. Your papa say no. Say you too small to friend boy. You never know anything about boy matter. So because of that one, this girl now I can't go tell your boyfriend, say, see what if papa they talk, or your papa say make you not come see you again. If papa say make you not come again, come see you. And the boy can say, okay, what we go do your papa now? May we poison and may you me. And the girl say, okay. Two of them can't really gang together. But they really give your papa poison me eat. Small girl. So this John Thomas, not the way not go do to her. Now this girl can't really plan with the boyfriend though. They can't really the plan, they want to really give your papa. But then a snap, I don't know what they want to give her, make he take. As the papa now as they bring the water now, may they give it papa. Papa comes notice and say the thing they smell. Now papa say no, this thing they smell no fit drink her. Now if papa come tell no say something dey this water before they come begin they confess say na your boyfriend give am or may he give it papa, may papa take her. Small girl. Wait till you know, my people, or nothing wey Musa no go see forget. Why e be say all those our small girls of nowadays for Naija, wetin dey happen to una? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey play for una? How can a small girl now, wetin you know about boyfriend? Wetin you know where you want go payment your papa because your papa say no friend this boy? Where would they grow? They come that upon our maturity. Our mama self, even though with the evil friend, but with the eye that made them not see, because if they see and they beat you, they go beat you. You yourself, you go, if you even see the boy the next day, you go warn and make you not even reach where you dey again. Talk less of your because you want to tell me now, say you don't grow now, you don't be big girl now, so nobody fit talk to you. So I don't fit tell my pikin now, say no friend this person. You can't say want payment me because I tell am. Now be this one so now. Because if papa tell am say no follow this person, he say he want payment papa. Like seriously? Now wow. Not the way Musa no go see forget, my people. When I see the video, the thing shockalize me. The thing it surprised me really because what people make small girl now come begin just the reason that kind of thing for your mind. So say you want payment your own papa. And so the life can't be. And so the world can't be. What did this world they turn into? Because your papa say no friend this person. Now you want maybe your own papa. Hey, if I say this life not balance, some of my friends go they laugh. It not balance. Oh. The life not balance really. You can imagine your own papa say, now your papa they see what you know they see. Your own papa say, you too small, 14 years old. What do you know? They go only just give you belly, you can't carry belly, the waka they go. What do you know 14 years? What do you they look for? What do you they look for? I don't know, this life you don't spoil. What would they grow? They come, you want die when you bring boys, you want to show your papa. You get age when you go reach for the go Except say discipline don't dey that house. Like the one when before grow. When discipline dey that, you can't bring man come. Say you want come. Huh? I am on my gbe pint. The beat when they go beat you, they go even barb your hair self. Say maybe not the hair what you do. Like my wife that I don't say not the hair what you do. Like, maybe they send you message, you get the way you tell you do. So okay, but it don't they catch you. Does maybe not the hair what you do, now they shark you, they go barber for you. Talk of small girl, 14 years, say your papa tell you, me you no friend boy. Now you want to go plan with your boyfriend, make you pay me your own papa. Make you pay me your own papa. Now so now they use na hand, they cause problem for ourselves for one this small. The one now dog grown and they'll come say, nah, you know what you do to your papa that time. Your papa you pay me, now they worry you. You can't the reason now you not go remember again, say now what you do down. Or maybe you don't look for pikin now, you don't come see. They'll come tell you say that your papa. Now it cause this thing though. You remember what you do to your papa that time? You come to think, hey, what did I do that time? What did I do? Your past will come to begin to haunt you. And that one that you want for yourself. That boy, they need to arrest him really, that boy. That boy, because now that boy now lure this girl to this thing. Because that girl now never get sense to come just reason that kind of thing. Now she sense you see go now and really plan with you. Say, okay, me, papa. Now wow. Eh? Like the thing they surprise me. The thing they shocktalize me. Now wow, not the way Musa no go see forget. Not the way person no go see for una hand. Eh? As I saw the video, the picture, now say, make I come, I see the rights of, now say, I come tell my people, make they see the latest, in town. See what they happen. Say small girl dey plan with your boyfriend to buy me your papa. Because the law not that Africa. Una fit do anything we una like. Now 40 years old now one can tell me now say he don't grow now. He don't overgrow now to one con the shoes for himself now say now he must friend this person. I remember one course where they do for Europe here. Where we say the mama oyibo, he carry a pikin come, say pikin dey follow man of 60 years, and the pikin dey 70 years, never reach 18 years to even decide for herself, and the park go meet the guy for us, the man for us. They have to warn the girl for court, say make you no ever until you reach 18 years, and it's against the law. And as they tell her make a park go, as if you not park, they will arrest her and the man. You know. Because the law not just dey Africa, don't not begin to do anything one and like. My bonga people, beg anything one I think about this video. You can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only the DJ. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.